CBDT, Central Board of Direct Taxes, has issued rules on companies' place of effective management. I think there's some more guidelines that have been issued, rules on place of effective management not to apply on companies with respect to financial year sales of 50 crores or less. Gaurang Sinha, in fact, joins us with more details on this. They are to cover companies outside India which are engaged in active business. Run us through the exact nature of the CBDT circular targeting shell companies, Gaurang.
Well, these are some long-awaited rules when it comes from investors with regard to the place of effective management, and these rules really are determine a test of whether at all a business where the interests are shown outside India and the gains are shown to be outside of India, in fact, are managed from within India or not. And this is largely to target people who, of course, create shell companies and show profits outside of India, while the place of effective management, in fact, is in India. Now, 2 or 3 important highlights. Essentially, these new rules have come up with a test, so to speak, of whether a business is based inside or outside of India. These rules will not cover any companies, of course, where the turnover is less than 50 crore rupees per annum. So the idea, of course, under these rules is to really go after larger tax evaders. These rules also don't apply to Indian multinationals. They largely apply, of course, to individuals who are suspected of having created shell companies and shown gains outside of India. Now, of course, the exact details are extremely technical in nature, but suffice to say that the larger idea of this is to target shell companies, and going forward, of course, these rules will apply from the assessment year 2017-2018. So these rules, of course, have been long awaited. They will provide some clarity, and the government, of course, has tried to make sure that these rules are not misused by tax authorities by requiring that if any time a company is suspected to be a shell company and the place of effective management has to be applied, and at that point a principal commissioner will have to be approached and their approval will have to be taken before, of course, a company can be notified or in proceedings be initiated against the company on these rules.